Hello, my name is Evan Myers, and this video is for Seminar 9. Today we'll be looking at the Master's degree for Human-Computer Interaction at Indiana University and Purdue University Indianapolis. We'll start from the university's homepage, iupui.edu. We can see that it's for the university by the acronym in the top left of the screen, and the full name of the university in the top right. We are interested in the Human-Computer Interaction program, so the first thing we'll do is navigate to that page. Using this navigation bar at the top, if we scroll over Academics, you can see the option Degree Programs. Let's click on that. This brings up a list of all the programs offered by the university. It's filtered by the first letter of the program, and right now we are under A. If we scroll over to H and filter by that, we'll see the H programs. Human-Computer Interactions is found at the bottom, and below the name of the program there's the name of the department. In this case, it's the School of Informatics. To the right of this, it shows us the degrees being offered by this university. In this case, it's a master's and a PhD level. So, this fits our bill as we're looking for a master's. Let's continue on with this link. Now, this brings up a short summary of the program. We need a little more information, so if you look in the middle of the screen, it says more information about this degree program. We'll click on that, and this brings us to a new page. We can see that we are still at the Indiana University, but now we've moved to the department School of Informatics, and most specifically we're in the program Human-Computer Interaction. If we scroll down to the bottom of the page, under the heading Contact, we'll see the contact information for this department. The address is 535 W Michigan Street, Indianapolis, Indiana 46202. So let's move back to the top of the screen and find out which courses you'll take in a Master's of Human-Computer Interaction. So in this sidebar, under MS Plan of Study, let's click that. This shows us all of the courses that will need to be finished before you get your degree, and then all your electives you can choose from. If I go into this link MS HCI Plan of Study in the top right, it'll open up a PDF, and on this PDF it shows us more specifically how the course will be done. It shows us what you do in the first year, what you do in the second year, and then it also shows each semester. For example, for the fall semester of year 1, you would need to take 1541 Interaction Design Practice, 1543 Interaction Design Methods, and 1563 Psychology of HCI, and this will go on for each term. It also shows you all the credits, so you could at a glance see how your course is made up. So let's go back to where we came from and find out the admission requirements. On this sidebar there's a heading Admissions. We'll click on there, and we're still in Human-Computer Interaction. Click down to the bottom and see Admission Requirement link. We'll click there. Now we move to graduate students. The first part is for all Master's and PhD programs. There's the general admissions, which include a bachelor's degree, overall GPA of 3.0, 3 letters of recommendation, GRE scores for the past 5 years, which only applies to masters if they're seeking direct financial assistance. Additionally, we need a statement of purpose explaining the reasons for applying and the intended career path. Below these general requirements, there is a discipline-specific requirements. Human-computer interaction can be found here. If we click this link, it'll jump down to the heading Human-Computer Interaction. Now for these students, they need to have a proficiency with programming, proficiency with design, and a proficiency with social sciences. The programming includes knowledge of one or more programming languages, such as Java, C++, understanding of programming methodologies, and other system knowledges, such as artificial intelligence. Design includes things such as conceptual modeling, prototyping, product delivery, design principles, typography, and so forth. For social sciences, a knowledge of psychology, anthropology, etc. are required. Moving back to the top of the page, we can click the link How to Apply. This will show us the dates you need to apply by. For fall and summer admission, it needs to be by January 15th. For spring, by September 15th. If we continue down this path on the left, we can go tuition and fees. In the middle of the screen, there is the Office of Student Financial Services provides current information for costs of attendance. Let's click on costs of attendance. Now at the very bottom of the screen, it shows us under the heading graduate non-resident student, because this is in Indiana, and this program is going to be non-resident. It shows us for each academic year how much tuition and fees, books and supplies, room and board, transportation, and person are going to cost. The grand total is nearly $37,000, but when we move back to the screen, back to the top, it gives us why each category was included and how they were determined. So if you had your own room and board figured out and stuff, you could count that down. And tuition and fee and books and supplies cost $16,500 total. And that's the end of my